Hello everyone, my name is Indy Sherasika. I'm 21 years old. I live in Asami City. I'm a second year college student. I'm taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. One of my hobbies is cooking and also playing guitar. And now, here are some of my skills that I believe that is essential to use in today's world. One of my skills is to think critically. In this way, I analyze situations first before making decisions, like for example, on solving a problem. I think for a solution to my problem before reacting to it. Second skill is the decision making. This one is aligned with my first skill. For instance, I will no longer have any second thoughts on my decisions. Third skill is adaptability. I observe to myself that I easily adapt to different circumstances, environment that I'm on. I even apply it in my college life and I adapt on sudden changes very quick. Fourth one is the communication skills. Of course, it's very helpful in every aspect of my life and I can do a lot of things with this skill, like public speaking, communicating with people and more. Last one is technology skills. Living in this era requires a lot of knowledge and skills to technology. In this way, I could easily do any task using technologies, like creating PPTs on reports.